Hello children, this is Kavita from GK Jain School. Today I am going to teach you the fundamentals of computer for the class 4. Before getting into the basics of computer, we have to know about what is computer. Okay, what is computer? Computer is an electronic device which is used to do some specific task. It manipulates the data given by the user and processes the data and gives the output. The word computer is derived from the Latin word computere, C-O-M-P-U-T-A-R-E. After that it becomes computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Now let's move on to the lesson. Basics of computer: input, process, output.
Now we are going to see about the functions of a computer. A computer system performs three basic functions: input, process, output. This is the working cycle of a computer. Now we will see one by one. Input. The device through which we enter data and instructions are called input devices. Input is a data given by the user to the computer. First one is keyboard. The keyboard is made of several small buttons called keys. Each small button is called keys. Totally is known as keyboard. Each key has an alphabet, number or symbol on it. We can use a keyboard to type in the text or instruction to the computer. Usually, what is typed on the keyboard appears on the monitor. Next one is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that controls the movement of a pointer on the screen. Its name is derived from its shape. The connecting wire that can be imagined to be a tail. A mouse has two buttons which can be clicked to perform actions on the computer. Clicking the mouse once is called single click, while clicking it twice is called double click. Depending on the side of the mouse button, it is called right click or left click. Many mouse have a wheel between buttons called a scroll wheel. It helps us to draw pictures, play games and give instruction to the computer. This scroll button is used to move the page up and down. Next input device is called scanner. It helps to put your work and pictures into the computer. It scans the documents and your work is entered into the computer. Whatever we are giving to scan, it will be shown on your monitor.
Input devices. Next, we are going to see the process. Processing device. Processing device is used to process the information, perform calculation and send the result to the output device. CPU. CPU is used to perform the process. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of the computer. This is the CPU. CPU connects all the parts of the computer and makes them work together. It also stores all the information. The CPU has on or off switch for the computer.
Next, we are going to see output devices. Output devices are used to display the data that we enter into a computer and the result that we get after processing. Some output devices are monitor. It looks like a TV screen. It is connected to the CPU with wire. There are two types of monitors, CRT monitor, LCD monitor. CRT stands for cathode ray tube and LCD stands for liquid crystal display. It displays all information and work which is done inside the computer. You can watch movies and cartoons on it. The monitor has an on-off button at the front. Turning off the monitor does not turn off the computer. Next is printer. It helps you to take your work on the paper. The printer prints the same work on the paper which is shown on the monitor. Next, speakers and headphones. This is also one of the output device. These are used to listen the recorded sounds, voice, speech and sounds in a computer. These are all about the input, process, output devices.
If you like this video, you can click the like button, and if you want more videos about these studies, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you all.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.